In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlays in Figma. Overlays are perfect for things like modals, dropdowns, and tooltips, any interface element that sits on top of the current screen without taking you to a new one. We'll walk through designing the overlay, wiring it up in prototype mode, and previewing the result. Start by opening your design. Identify the screen where the overlay will appear, then design the content of the overlay as its own frame. Create a new frame at the size you want the overlay to be. Add your text, buttons, and background fill, and style it so it reads clearly above your interface. A distinct background color, or a subtle elevation effect, helps it stand out. Now switch to the Prototype tab in the right panel. This is where you define interactions. Select the element that should trigger the overlay, typically a button or an icon, and you'll see a small circular node on its edge. Drag that node to the overlay frame you just designed to create the connection. With the connection selected, configure the settings in the right panel. Set the behavior to open overlay so Figma knows to place the overlay on top of the current screen. Choose the position that makes sense for your design, like center, top left, or bottom. If you need precision, select manual to place it exactly where you want relative to the trigger. Using the on-canvas preview to fine-tune the placement. Enable close when clicking outside so users can dismiss the overlay by clicking anywhere outside its bounds. This keeps prototypes easy to navigate. Turn on Add Background Behind Overlay to dim the page underneath. A 25% black backdrop is a common starting point and helps maintain focus on the overlay content. Pick an animation that matches your design language. Instant for a snappy utilitarian feel, dissolve for a gentle fade, or move in for a directional entrance. To test it, select the frame that contains your trigger, and click the play button to open the prototype. In the preview window, interact with the trigger to open the overlay and confirm the position, backdrop, and animation feel right. Click outside the overlay to make sure it closes as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.